INVZ stock analysis and INVZ stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Innovis Data Technology stock, we're sitting at 92 cents, 6.4% down. Where the heck are we heading next? I want to be very clear. I'm looking to do what? Looking to take things up. Before I get into it, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, called out thousands of correct predictions up on my YouTube channel. And now specifically looking at INVZ. Let me come here. Yes, because we're in a demand zone, this is probably going to take a couple of days, maybe up to a week, who knows. But the main second thing that I'm waiting for is a second break above that. That's 107. Now we're in between 107 and 77, and yeah, that's huge. You know, this is huge. Unless I really see this second shift here, then there's just no way that I'll buy. Like, ultimately people overcomplicate this, but I have a set steps alert set, and there's like all these other ticker symbols that I'm keeping an eye on. So I would rather stick to my strategy that I've tested for 36,000 videos. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.